John, Mr. Kleitz. Good evening. Lekker. Man's interior is looking good. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to episode 15 of Milkshake Wednesday. It's been a long time, it's been a while. Shit has gotten wild in South Africa.
By sheer coincidence.
Yeah, we're having a small mini meet, something different for tonight. We're actually doing something inside my estate. Just a couple of guys coming through just to see each other, just hang out a little bit. Yeah, AJ joined me for tonight, so how's it? Keen to see whose cars are here. Hopefully you guys liked that video from last week as well. Go check it out if you haven't yet. Yeah, let's see who's here. Tonight is the longest drive we've gone to Milkshake Wednesday ever. Oh, going in circles. What are you doing? Yeah! Hope you guys heard that. Static. AJ is busy trying to skate here. Hopefully he doesn't break anything. John, Mr. Kleitz. Good evening. Lekker. How's it? Why is your car sneezing so much? What did you do? What did you do? How's it, Shimmy?
See, man.
Like, did you upgrade a bit? Hey?
Hey?
Did you upgrade a bit?
Little bit.
Little bit. That's why you're driving around so much. How's it? How are you?
Lacking you, brother.
Lekker, man. Yeah, it sounds good, man. Jeez.
Hey, thanks, brother. Appreciate it.
Did you do something to your exhaust as well?
Dude, just a good vacuum pop.
Really?
Yeah.
It really sounds like you did something to exhaust as well.
Nah, nothing, dude.
Ah, geez, sounds very nice.
Thanks,
well,
bro.
who's this? Let's see, is it another ST? Who might this be? Who's joining us for mini meet? Is it Etienne? I don't know. Who is this? Hello. Mr. Cam. Hey guys, hey Cam, what's that, bro? A couple of guys joining through for the night, just having a little mini meet, episode 15, talking some shit. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Yeah, it's good to see the guys again. It's been a while. Obviously keeping safe, keeping our mask on, keeping social distance. But yeah, like a chilled night. Is it? Shit.
But it sounds good.
It sounds under load, yeah. But it's nice because it's not raspy, that's why it's very nice. Can you imagine? Well, we'll go to this, up to the road, yeah. I just want to take this opportunity today, interrupting this video, just to tell you guys about the Unique Originals merch. The website will be up soon. Go check it out, uniqueoriginals.com. Go do a little reminder.
Took my card for service today. I'm going too fast. I'm like, so what does that mean?
Everyone is leaving. We need to go get some food because lockdown and curfew. So thank you to everyone who joined. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you to the guys that pulled through. It was good to see you. Cheers, Camo. Yeah, really lekker night. Just got these cars in for upholstery, so yeah, that's gonna be dope. Thank you guys for joining for another video. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. It actually makes such a big difference in my life. Makes my morning, makes me smile when I go into a video and I see you guys liked it and shared it. Thank you for that. Yeah, see you guys in the next one. Keep the positive vibes flowing. Cheers.
Memphis, man.